The lights are fading, echoes still inside my chest. Step by step, the hallway whispers like a test. Pushing through the door, the silence chills my skin. Then your shadow falls on me, pulling me in. Chief, how are you here tonight? Your eyes still closed, burning so bright. I can't find a way to hide. You say no matter where the worlds may turn, through the endless dark, no matter how it burns, you will always find me, draw me near, surround me. Even my breath is yours to claim, like destiny. I can't escape. Your song's the only star that guides my way. Through the crowd, I'll never let it drift away. Every step I take, the fire pulls me close. Don't you know I've searched through time for your soul?
Was a stage, a gift meant for me. Don't tremble now, your spirit's free.
Already now the time I reach. You say no matter what the world may turn, through the endless dark, no matter how it burns, you will always find me, draw me near, surround me.
Even my breath is yours to claim, like destiny. I can't escape.
Baby,
How did you suddenly appear?
'cause you always belong here.
Baby, too close, you're stealing my
Let me hold the fear in your Through the turning skies and shifting fate, love and destiny will lead me to your gate. I will always find you, hold you tight, forever true.
in this boundless universe of ours. We collide, and nothing keeps us apart.